Hello, this is my review on Birds of Prey, the movie, the Harley Quinn movie. Margot Robbie's Harley Quinn standalone movie. This is pretty much. This is the short. Some people call it Birds of Prey. Other people call it Harley Quinn's Birds of Prey. It's known by many different names, but I'm just going to call it what's called on the box, on the case I got, than was normally titled as in its promotional material. Its title is Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipations of one Harley Quinn. That's quite a long title. Now I would change the title to something shorter, maybe, if I made the movie, but I didn't. So whoever came up with this convoluted title it's kind of fitting for this convoluted movie. Feels convoluted itself, like the title. I give this movie a 8 out of 10. It's not bad. I actually liked it. It's just not as good as it could be, I think. I don't know why Black Mass had to die, the main villain of the movie. I have a problem with that, and I also have a problem with the characters that tag along as the main characters was Harley Quinn. Because I don't know why they're in there. They're just in there because other than to see a cool fight scene with and some banter between Harley Quinn and fighting with Harley Quinn in the third act. I don't know why are they in here, the main characters, and then they're in the entire movie. When they I don't know why the main characters aren't. There's so many main characters in this movie, because outside of Roman Sionis and Harley Quinn and I think this movie would have been better if it just had Harley Quinn and Roman Sionis and come up with a better plot. That's less convoluted about her getting the diamond back, okay? Because that's the motherfucking she needs to get. Is a diamond that was stolen from Roman Sionis, okay? To save her own skin. Basically, it's just like, and there's just like two main characters, and this main characters in this movie. I'm sorry that this has Spider-Man. That's a Spider-Man 3 problem. That's the same problem Spider-Man 3 suffered. And Batman Returns suffered that. Too many characters for the main character. There's too many characters in the movie to get fleshed out and really make sense of anything. And it's not really any story that makes sense. It's just random nonsense, the story. It's mostly stories is random nonsense to show cool visual effects. Cool spectacles and action and comic book action, that crap. with some CGI action besides practical action. And it would be, normally I would like something like this, but a lot, but more. But it's just that there's just too many characters I don't give a shit about. I mean, I don't find them annoying, I just don't give a shit about them. I like them, I just don't have any reasons to like them. And I like their performance, they're great with what they got, and everyone did a good job, I thought. It's just that there's not really even reasons to like them, I thought. And also, the movie has lots of characters that really don't get fleshed out or focused on half of the time. Like, I couldn't get, this movie feels like it's half-baked. Like the movie Half-Baked. The Chappelle movie. Yeah, it's the David Chappelle movie I'm referring to. Half-Baked is what this movie's like. Is basically the script is half-baked. It feels like a half-finished, half-thought-out, made by a somewhat half-rational mind, I guess. Made a script. And that's the script we got for this movie, DC movie. For Harley Quinn. A half-baked script. That's so far pretty fun in its final form of a, it's not the most competent written movie. It's actually surprisingly incompetently written. I thought of a story because this is so convoluted. Because it has so many characters. And I thought it was kind of dumb that the villain got killed off. And how it's just I don't understand. I was kind of dumb how the villain got killed off. I mean, it was funny, but I guess it's kind of, it just feels like it's kind of bugging to kill him just for out of a gag. I don't know, it's just, I like Black Mask, the guy that actually plays Black Mask in the performance of Black Mask in the movie. And he was good in the movie as Simone Sionis. But he has such a shitty death. And, yeah. And that's why I give this an 8 out of 10. Okay. I think that's enough said why I like this movie. Like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you like this video, hit the button, the subscribe button, by hitting the bell and then hitting subscribe in that order. Goodbye.